All right, we're going to do some commentary on the speed edit. Forgive me if you hear a dog barking or my kids in the background. So, this is Ray from Star Wars. Probably didn't need to tell you that, but that is who we're doing the speed edit of. Model is Ashley Watkins. I think she did a great job of portraying this character. And right now we're just zoomed in to do some local dodging and burning. So that's what you see me doing right there. You see me using some curves layers to kind of do some close nitty-gritty retouching, smoothing out the transitions and the skin tones. We did primarily photograph this on a green screen, a little pop-up green screen background, so you can see I was able to cut out some of her with the green screen. However, the rest that we weren't able to get, I'm using the pen tool. Still think the pen tool is probably one of the most accurate ways to go when it comes to doing composites. You just get a lot of precision on what you want to get out of it. And then we're just kind of blurring some of the edges so that they're not so crisp or pixelated, and giving it some depth. And this background is actually a background that I took in Gatlinburg, Tennessee from a family vacation that we took recently. And you can see I've kind of got it cropped vertically long ways, a 16:9 format. It's kind of like that cell phone format, but also because I wanted Ray to be a little bit smaller, even though she's the highlight of the image and the focal point. It really just kind of shows off more of the background, and I wanted it to kind of look dark at night to where the lightsaber is really the main focus, and it's kind of illuminating the whole image, and so it's like the main source of light. And so now we're just kind of going through, giving Ray some highlights, and I'm really just drawing them in, thinking where would the highlights be if the lightsaber were really in this image. And so we created a layer, I think it's on color dodge screen mode, and just kind of painting it in real lightly, drawing them in on the rocks, on Ray herself, adding in some atmospheric effects, smoke, particle effects, especially when it hits the lightsaber as the smoke and particles kind of go through the lightsaber. I really wanted to add that, and I believe we add some fire embers here in a second, but I didn't want them to actually be fire embers. I wanted it to be more like this almost mystical, magical, atmospheric effect, and kind of make it the same color as the lightsaber there. So it's a very monochromatic type image, and I love this plugin Oniric from Composite Nation. Really adds a lot of extra oomph to the glow effects. It's really cool. Highly recommend it. The rocks that she's actually sitting on I purchased from photobash.org. It's great, especially for composite material. And then now we're just going in doing some global dodging and burning to really add some extra pop to this image overall. And that completes our commentary for this Photoshop composite of Ray from Star Wars. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on all of my latest videos. Be sure to leave a comment on what you'd like to see me work on next. Hope to see you guys next time, and again, thanks for watching.